Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's process video, I am working once again with the Equinox digital collection from Traci Designs, and today the creative team is doing an Instagram hop. So I hope you'll head over there and check out all the talented artists and designers who are participating in the hop. And this is the layout that I have created for that hop over on Instagram. And so I am working in my 2022 October Daily album, and I've used the frames in the Equinox collection to frame 2 photos, and also printed out a digital journal card to do just a basic flip up. And then that is the background paper that I created digitally using 3 of the pattern papers in the collection and the digital mixed media in the digital collection as well, and just created a fun little digital journal page and then printed that out. This is my 49th birthday. And so this was last year on the 19th of October. I love that my birthday falls in October for October dailies. And the other thing that I was totally excited about was having pink in this fall collection. So that's kind of what I'm pulling out from the kit today. And so here you can see how I'm going to build these very simple flip ups. I pulled a washi tape from Studio Calico from years ago, and I'm just using that very simply. I'm lining all 3 of the photos up with the edge of the page. I'm using a ruler, you guys. In years past, I might not have used a ruler, but apparently I'm evolving as an artist and using a ruler today. And once I have that all set up, then the only thing left to do is create my title and add a spot for, or create a little spot for my day number, which is 19. Very excited to use that number. Yay, it's my birthday. And so I had 2 of these beautiful little distressed labels from the digital kit. And so I've put those down and then tucked in some of the florals behind it. And then that seemed to be a fun little spot to put the number so that it's kind of tucked behind the photos. Once I got those florals kind of figured out. And yes, you did see me cut a floral in half. I do that a lot, and then you get twice the use out of it, especially for tucking behind labels and stuff like that. That's a very easy trick to help your florals go a little further. So I also bent up the edges. I do that a lot. I'm going to write my journaling here on the journal card real quick. And if you notice, I changed that journal card and added the Autumn Bliss at the bottom before I printed it out. And that way it customized it a little bit more for my layout. The alphabets that I have, they're a physical product from Crepe Paper Moonlight Magic collection, and so I kind of liked the simplicity of these black on white or black on distressed background there. Every layout needs a little black and white, and so this is my tribute to that rule, that unspoken rule. So I sped that up a little bit for you so that it would go a little bit faster. And then the title itself is Turning 49. And then I also just wanted to tuck in some of these little swirls. They're little dotted line swirls just here and there. And that turned out really cute. And I think that pretty much wraps up this layout. I'm keeping it very simple and very quick, but lots of fun. This is I'm going a little bit out of order in this album. Tomorrow you'll be able to see day 13. I have days 1 to 12 already done, so I'll have a link for that full playlist for you down below, and I hope that you'll check that out, and then also hop over to Instagram and join us for the Traci Reed Creative Team Hop. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.